All of the following persons may be responsible for the trust fund tax, except we're presented with four options. We have an officer of a corporation, an employee in the payroll department, a member of the board of trustees, and D, a corporate director or shareholder. So one of these options really should stand out amongst the others because the other three options are fairly high-ranking individuals within an organization. So when we're talking about a corporate structure, we've got up at the top the officers of the corporation up here, and then we've got down here below, we've got the employee within the payroll department. We've got a member of the board of trustees, which are kind of sitting out here, so we'll mark them. And then we've got a corporate director or shareholder also sitting out here, the corporate director. Now down here, way down at the bottom, we've got the employee in the payroll department, which that employee is likely following the direction of the payroll manager sitting right about here. That payroll manager is taking the direction of the officer as well. So there are multiple parties that are involved here before the employee is doing their job as directed by the powers above them. So the responsible party could be any one of these except that employee in the payroll department.